Come to Swaziland. This place is Swaziland, now called Eswatini, the beating heart of southern Africa. It's small on the map, but vast in history. And hidden within its mountains lies a secret older than the pyramids. The Umhlanga mine, the oldest known mine in the entire world. Over 43,000 years ago, humans came here to dig iron from the earth. Not with machines, but with their bare hands, stone tools, and a vision. Right here, before cities, before kingdoms. They worked with the land, and the land remembered. But Eswatini doesn't just carry ancient tools, it carries ancient soul. Step into the Malalatya Mountains, and you'll feel it. The wind speaks in silence. The rocks seem to breathe. And in hidden caves, painted by the first artists of Africa, the walls still tell stories. Stories of life, of spirit, of a world where nature and humanity walked hand in hand. These are not ruins. Like, share, and subscribe for more journeys to the most magical places on Earth.